Hey guys, this is Mama Made. This is my giant couponing haul for the week of November the 19th through the 25th, 2021. I do shop at Giant. A lot of times Stop and Shop at Martin's usually have the same deals, but not always. So make sure you're checking your own ads and prices in store before you do these deals. The 5-point freebie never showed up this week, and I'm pretty sure it's because they gave us 2 of them last week. I think it was an accident. They sent an email saying they gave us a bonus 5-point freebie, but I think they just ended up releasing it early by accident. So whatever, they didn't give us one this week. So in case you're wondering, where is it at? You're not getting it. So anyway, guys, I think that's all I had to say. If I didn't already say so, my breakdown is in the description box below. So I saw in the Fetch app, they now set the limit to 5. I think it was 4 for the spend $15, get back 5,000 points. So I went ahead and grabbed this deal. I grabbed the Axe body spray at $4.99. I had a $1.25 load to card coupon. I bought it, gave me back $1. And then I grabbed 3 of these regular at $4.49. Used a $2.50 off of 2 digital, $1 off of 1 digital, and $1.50 off of 1 digital. And then Fetch gave me back 5,000 points. I guess they based my purchase on the shelf price, not after coupons. So it was only a cost of, I'm sorry, I forgot to tell you. Ibotta gave me back $1 on each of these as well. So $3.21. These are for someone I know that they will gladly get those from me. Okay, so the tissues were only $1. I love Giant brand tissues. If you're like a tissue snob and have to have Kleenex, you should really try Giant brand. They're really good quality. So anyway, they're $1, and then I had an offer on my earned points tab. Buy 2 of them, get back 30 choice points, which is equal to 30 cents. So it's only $1.70 or 85 cents a piece. And there's 160 tissues in there, so really great value. The potatoes, you do have to clip this offer, but it makes an 8-pound bag for $3.49. Make sure you're grabbing the 8-pound, not the 5-pound or the 10-pound, and make sure you clip that offer. So this deal right here is really good. Now keep in mind, a lot of times those deals, they say you have to spend $25 before or after coupons to get the choice rewards back. So I don't usually ever test it out. I usually end up spending more than that anyway. But anyway, it's buy 5, get back 500 points. Grab 5 of these at $3. Ibotta will give you back $1 on each one, making it only $5 or $1 a piece. They don't expire until like March or something, but cheese in our house just goes really fast, so I don't have to worry about that. The Kraft Mac and cheese, I only did this deal because I had a special offer where it was 80 choice points back when you bought one. Of course, it advertised like the bigger package, but it does work on these smaller ones, so it only made that a cost of 20 cents. The Tribe hummus, I love hummus. It's $3.59. I did contact them a while ago and asked for some coupons. They mailed me $2 off coupons, so I used those, making it only $1.59 or 80 cents a piece. And the Pillsbury, make sure you want to grab a crescent sheet or a crescent dough if you want to get the 50 cents back on checkout 51. But they are part of a buy 4, save $4 instantly. I grabbed 3. These are the cheapest items at $2.19. I'm going to be making monkey bread out of these 2. And this one, I'm going to make sausage, egg, and cheese biscuits one day. And then this, there's so many things you can do with crescent sheets. I have recipes and all kinds of things. I love the crescent sheets. So anyway, those are more expensive at $2.59. Checkout 51 will give you 50 cents back on any crescent roll. And then I had $1 off of 3 any Pillsbury refrigerated dough load to card coupon, making it $3.66 or 92 cents a piece. I am really excited about this deal. I am a baker. I absolutely love baking, and I like to stock up on sugar and flour, and we have not seen really good 99 cents dollar deals at all this year. So I just grabbed this, hoping that I like this golden sugar. I bake a lot, so I'm sure it'll be fine. Buy 5, get back 300 points. The golden sugar is $2.50. I used 4 of the 65-cent coupons. 2 of them came from the 9.26 save, and 2 of them came from the 11.7 save. Only 2 of them double for me because only one identical coupon will double at Giant. So the one from the 9.26 doubled, and the other one was just 65 cents. And the same thing for the 11.7. I grabbed one of the Pillsbury at $1.99. You could grab something, I think they have chocolate chips at $1.69. So that's definitely a better deal if you want to do that. But for me, I am stocked on chocolate chips. I need some sugar and flour. So total cost after getting back 300 points, which is equal to $3, is $5.09, or only $1.02 a piece. which is a really, really good deal. Okay, so the Chameleon coffee is $5.99 again, which I was super excited about because Margaret sent me, not a message, she commented on one of my videos saying, hey, it's only $5.99. I wasn't able to get back to the store, and I really don't like going back to the store after I've already been home for something. So it's $5.99. There is a $2.25 load to card coupon, and then Ibotta gives you back $5. I think the limit is 2 on the coffee or 2 on the whole bean. So anyway, I did grab these on separate cards because I had the $2.25 digital coupon separately. So anyway, it's $1.26 moneymaker each one. So huge thanks to Margaret for letting me know about that deal. I think my husband will really like that churro coffee after I sweeten it and add some cream. The Galbani is $3. I had a $1.50 Catalina that printed for me a while ago, or actually I might have even found that one in someone's cart. And yes, I always scan the carts looking for coupons that people left behind. I think there's a $1 printable available, so you can grab that if you want. And then Checkout 51 is giving back $1, making it only a cost of 50 cents. And I do make stuffed shells with these. I think I make something else with this too. Lasagna. So I have a little bit to use it. I think you can freeze that. And it turns out fine if you make it in lasagna. The green beans, these are only 50 cents. All Giant brand green beans are only 50 cents. Checkout 51 is giving back 25 cents on any green beans. So it made it a cost of 25 cents. Now I did want to mention I was going to do the Hanover frozen broccoli florets. It was going to be a really good deal. It was like 85 cents if you buy, I think it was buy 5, get back $4 or something like that. But they didn't have the broccoli, and I didn't really want to use any of the other frozen vegetables. So that's another option. It was a really good deal. It was going to be. The last thing, I did contact Chobani. If you have any Chobani coupons, you need to use those by the end of December or they're going to expire. So I got 2 free of these. One was 50 cents and it doubled, and one was for a free one. This guy here had a free coupon. This is expensive. It's like $5.49. So they had to call customer service manager over to override that because the girl didn't know what to do, or maybe was too scared. I'm not sure. But Ibotta has $1 back on that. The creamer Chobani Checkout 51 has $1 back on that. So these were both money makers, and everything else was just free. Horrible, horrible story. My daughter had to throw up while we were checking out. While they were trying to figure out this coupon issue, we ran to the bathroom. It was a mess. So anyway, couponing experience to go in the books. That's never happened before, and hopefully it never happens again. So we had to rush straight home. So if you don't hear from me on Sunday, it's because I'm down with the stomach bug. All right, guys, thanks for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.